हेलो एवरीवन, आप देख रहे हैं ट्रू स्कूप और मैं हूं प्रेरणा खन्ना। हम इस समय पिम्स में मौजूद हैं और आज हम पिम्स का रियलिटी चेक कर रहे थे। जी हां, हमें सूत्रों से पता चला था कि पिम्स में 30 बेड्स हैं जो कि कोविड के लिए हैं। उसके अलावा जो है वेंटिलेटर्स भी कम हैं, 4 वेंटिलेटर्स का पता चला। जब टीम ट्रू स्कूप ने इसके बारे में जानकारी ज़्यादा निकाली तो हमने यहाँ पर एक मिस्टर कुलबीर से भी बात की। के बाद हम पिम्स आए और पिम्स के रेजिडेंट डायरेक्टर अमित सिंह से भी बात हुई। इस बारे में हमने जाना कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, और जब ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन हमने निकाली तो हमें पता चला कि यहाँ पर कोविड के सिर्फ 7 पेशेंट्स हैं। जी हाँ, पिम्स जो कि सिविल हॉस्पिटल के बाद माना जाता है, जहाँ पर प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल के मुकाबले में अगर मैं बात करूँ तो कम रेट्स में यहाँ पर पिम्स में आपको जो है सर्विसेज मिलती हैं। फिर भी कोविड के पेशेंट्स यहाँ पर क्यों नहीं आ रहे, इस बारे में हमारी जो है बात हुई। आइए आपको सुनाते हैं पूरी रिकॉर्डिंग। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द कोविड सिचुएशन हियर इन पिम्स?
As of now, we have made 30. We've given 30 beds for the COVID area, out of which 12 we have the ventilated beds, and rest 18 are non-ventilated beds as of now.
According to my sources, there were only 4 ventilators.
Only 4 ventilators. No, we've got 12 ventilators, all given by the government.
And how many COVID patients are here in PIMS?
7 as of now, and all level 3 patients.
Level 3 patients. Okay, so when COVID is at its peak and other private hospitals are fully, occupied, how come PIMS has only 7 COVID patients? Because we consider this not the channel, but people consider this as the alternative of civil hospital.
Correct, you're right. When COVID started last year, we were the first ones to offer our institute and the hospital for COVID. And that point in time, we had reserved more than 200 beds. And as per the government request, and even we were wanting to do it, so there were 200 plus beds dedicated. And that point in time, we were ready to give more also, because we didn't have students, those who were coming in for their classes. So as of now, we can still extend the beds to the number of strength whatever we would like to or the government wants. But the number of patients, those who are coming in, think that this is a government hospital and the treatment would be free. So that's the only thing they have in mind. And when they are told about the charges which are fixed by the government, they are not ready to even pay that. So they say, okay, then we'll go to the government hospital. That's the only thing. We don't refuse even a single patient from our side. We are welcoming patients, those who are wanting to come in. We are with the government, with the state in this pandemic. But we can't just force anybody to get admitted with us.
Obviously, refusing is something a very different thing, and doctors don't do that. I agree.
Yeah.
But how come from 200 to 30 beds now when COVID is at its peak?
Initially, in those 200 count, there were level 1 and level 2 beds also. Now these 30 beds are purely level 3 beds with 12 ventilators with us.
Do you think administration is not supporting you, that you have less patients here and private hospitals are fully occupied, they don't have space for more patients?
No, we have always been, the government on our side. They have been very helpful. They have been helpful on all fronts rather. The only problem we have is we have COVID wards. We don't have private rooms to give to people. That's one reason people don't come to us. The ones in a family, if it's getting a positive this thing, so 2 people in a family or maybe 3 people in a family are coming positive. So they want a separate room or an enclosure. We don't have that right now to give to them.
Okay, how many doctors are there on duty?
We've made roster. I can share that with you separately. But as per the required norms, we have complete doctors, those who are taking care of the COVID facility.
You mentioned 15 to 20 doctors are there in COVID ward on duty.
Numbers I can share it separately with you, but I don't have the roster right now with me. But yes, as per the norms, we have complete doctors with us.
Yeah, just quoting what you said earlier before the recording. What I know is, according to my sources, that PIMS has more than 200 plus doctors, more than 200 doctors. So how come only 15 to 20 there?
So the number of doctors which you're saying includes JRs, SRs and stuff like that. And most of the faculty which we have is above 60 also.
Okay.
So we can't just tell them to do the COVID duties. And more of it, we have the classes going on for the complete batches.
That's not online?
No. All the students, all the 5 batches are running. And we are having our exams also. So most of the faculty is taking care of that also. So as we are governed by Baba Farid University, so we can't just do it online. So we have them here with us in campus, and we need to take care of our students as well.
Okay. Last question before coming to PIMS. I personally had a word with Mr. Gulbir, who was very rude to me, just like you were earlier. And he said that he's not accountable to me. Can you just explain that? Why?
First of all, I wasn't rude at all. I am a private institute in a triple P project. So what his answer to you, I guess, would have been, which I got to know, was how I am answerable to you. This is what he said. He wasn't rude at all.
After that, he said, मैं आपको जवाब नहीं दूंगा, मैं आपको जवाबदेही नहीं हूँ, and he hung up the phone.
No, so I understand. So maybe he would have been in a different state of mind in that point in time. And you being a private media house,
Okay.
you are not coming from a government source, though it should not have been said like
our
this
channel
directly.
is government impaneled.
No, I understand. I'm not. I'm not denying that. But yes, so as I told you, he would have been in a different state of mind because he being a doctor, maybe he was in a ward, he was seeing a patient. Right?
He should have told me, just like you told me earlier that you're in a meeting or he was busy.
Yeah.
He should have mentioned this, being in different state of
No.
mind. So we want to visit the hospital.
Ma'am, COVID ward, sorry, I won't permit you to visit the COVID ward as such. But whatever information about the ward, inside what facilities are there, you can ask me.